Folks, we're on our way to Lowe's and we're going pre-spring flower shopping. Thought you might want to go right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alrighty, here at our local Lowe's to see what's out for spring, early spring. Yeah, I'll be wanting those pansies. We got petunias, snapdragons. They can take the weather, even if it gets cold. Some hibiscus and some podocarpus for hedges. These pansies are looking really good. Just to kickstart the spring planting. Look at those colors. Some queen palms, Bismarck palm, Majesty palm. There's Bird of Paradise, and of course here's a bunch of herbs out already. Looking good. Here's what I brought home, some of them goodies. The blue L'Oreal grass for $2. pansies, snapdragons just popping out of their pot. This will just get you inspired, folks, to want to get out in that garden. Look at those geraniums just ready to pop. To reduce, $2. Look at the buds. Gotta love those little blue faces. They are something. Can't get enough. Got the deep red. Red petunias. Got those beautiful croton on sale. Half off. In the tropical pot. $10. And how pretty. This is really the way to buy them. Now this is a hybrid geranium. Hybrid color. 6-pack for $10. And the cool snapdragons. Like $1.48 a piece. A Chef Flora. 3 of those. So folks, that's all the beautiful that we got from Lowe's so far. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, give us a like, a share, a comment, and send a wagon load of subscribers over. You know we'll take care of them. We'll make it fun. Right here on My Take on Home and Garden. You can follow us on Instagram. And everybody, be safe and take care. Until the next over-the-top, too exciting garden tour coming soon. Alrighty now.